Okay guys, another zone clean video. Today I am in zone 3, but hubby and I took a bike ride first since it is Saturday, and yeah, we took a nice long bike ride and then I took a break before I started cleaning. Trying to get back on a regular schedule with bike riding. I'm trying for every other day. I believe we went 15 miles on this day, but during the week I usually only do 8 miles, but on the weekend I do like 15 miles with hubby. In the month of August, I will be doing a Healthy Habits Challenge. If you would like to join me, let me know in the comments below. I'll be posting on Instagram and on my community page, and posting once a week in a day in the lifestyle video and showing you what I ate for the day. I have a free printable Healthy Habits tracker. I will put the link down below if you want to print that out and track your progress. Here it is, 1 o'clock already, and I'm just starting my zone cleaning. And again, I am doing zone 3, which is the kitchen, the breakfast nook, the family room, the guest room, and the guest bath. I don't end up doing the guest room today. I don't always do that. I usually do it if I'm having a guest or if the littles come over for a sleepover. And right now I'm going to do the weekly chores, which is dust, mop, and vacuum in the family room. And I'm going to get to dusting. I don't dust everything like I've said in other videos. I'm just mostly dusting the wall unit, and then I will thoroughly dust something else. I also do the zone cleaning extras, which this week I have been doing the windows. So I'm going to clean just the 2 windows. I'm not cleaning the slider because I'll just wait and do that when I clean the patio, the back patio, whenever that happens. I'm not sure. I want to kind of incorporate that into zone 3, and that really hasn't happened yet. Again, I don't dust everything every week, just certain things, so I don't have to do it all at once. And I feel like it just doesn't need to be dusted but once a month. When I used to do what I called a whole house clean once a month when I was younger, had more energy, I would do once a month whole house clean and clean the whole house from top to bottom. And I actually had some help. I had my nieces that used to help me, and I paid them. And it took us 2.5 hours to clean the whole house, and we would dust, mop, vacuum, clean the bathrooms, everything. And I only dusted once a month. That was it. I didn't dust in between that. Okay guys, I've just shown you the sliders windows that I said I was going to do them when I do the patio. And I did want to incorporate it into zone 3, but you know what? I'm just deciding right here, right now, I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to incorporate it into my yard work, which I need to have a routine with that, and I don't. I am working on it. I think I am going to do zone cleaning every other week, and then yard work on the off weeks. I still would do my daily chores. I just can't do it, and I don't feel like it's necessary to do zone cleaning every week. So definitely do the daily chores, and then the opposite week I will do yard work and clean the front porch and the patio, because yeah, we'll call that zone 5 or 4, something like that. Okay, if you have missed the other videos that are in this series, you might want to go watch them. The link is to the playlist is down below. It is my summer one and done cleaning routine. It is an update on how I am doing on my cleaning routine that I've been trying out, that I created for the last year, that I'm trying out. I'm moving on to dishes and counters, and it is almost 1:30, so making progress here. I'm going to start on the kitchen. Okay, I didn't do much here, but I'm going to take a little break and take a lunch break and then get back to it. But while my lunch is cooking, I'm going to straighten up a few things real quick. Okay, that was quite a long lunch break, but I'm gonna get back to it. Okay, all done. I didn't do any zone cleaning extras in the kitchen since I did the windows. I guess I could have done more than that, but I didn't. But I would be doing things like wiping down the cabinets, cleaning out some drawers, that type of thing. I'm just going to clean up the breakfast nook real quick. I'm using the Method Daily Wood Cleaner. If you want to see what is in my cleaning cart, I'll put the list down below in the description. Okay, the last thing to do is to clean the guest bathroom, and yeah, it's a little messy. I've said in other videos I started using this bathroom because I like to take a shower in this shower than our bathroom anyhow. So I need to do some laundry too. Okay, to the right of the bathroom is hubby's office, and to the left is the guest room. I won't be doing either one of those today. Hubby's responsible for his room there, and the guest room I do, like I said, I do on occasion. I said in previous videos, I have been doing 1 load of wash a day, but I believe there's 2 loads today in this video that you're watching. Yeah, especially when I'm doing towels or something like that, there's going to be more than 1 load, but some days I don't do any because there's not enough to do a load. I like to hand wash my delicates using Woolite, and I just soak them in the sink for a little while, and I'm going to finish up the rest of the bathroom. Hey guys, I have been promised you a live video after I finish this series to tell you how I think the one and done cleaning routine that I started a year ago has gone for the last year, and what I learned and what I'm going to change. I'm not sure I'm going to do a live video. If not, then I will do a one-on-one chit-chat talk, and that will be coming up soon. I was hoping to fit it in the month of August, or July rather, but I guess it's going to happen next month. I will try to do a live if I can. We shall see. Also doing the healthy habits challenge like I already talked about, but I also will start decluttering again in August. I took a break in July because I was doing this. I was trying to concentrate on getting my house cleaned. And you guys, you know, in the summertime, I tend to clean more because that is Floridians' cabin fever. You northerners that stay in during the winter, we stay in during the summer. In July and August especially is just disgusting outside, and I'm barely doing any yard work, so I tend to stay inside, and I don't know, maybe that's my spring cleaning time. But the point of this series, or the point of this cleaning routine, is to not do spring cleaning anymore. And isn't that the point of Fly Lady? Again, this is not Fly Lady. This is my own thing because I'm a nonconformist and I do my own thing. Okay, let's put a finish on it by mopping. And yes, that is the container there for the steam cleaner that you saw in the previous video, which was actually filmed 4 days before this video, so it was still soaking. I'm going to rinse it out and put it away and get to mopping. Guys, I love my O-Cedar mop. I've mentioned it many times before. Let me know in the comments below if you have that. Seriously, I am 56 years old, and I'm sure I have bought 10 or more mops in my lifetime, in my marriage. So yeah, it is the best mop that I have ever had. It is so easy to use, and yeah, I love it. Okay, I'm going to put on my mop slippers. I'm not really sure what you call these things, but I got them off of Amazon, and it keeps me from slipping on the floor while I'm mopping. The floor gets really slippery, and it also dries the floor at the same time. So I'll put the link down below. Okay, I think I'm done here. So I don't know if you saw the time there on the stove. It was almost 5 o'clock. It is time for a coffee break, and actually I believe I'm done. Or did I have some laundry to do? I'm doing this voiceover several weeks after I recorded this. This was actually recorded the week after 4th of July. I believe this was the 8th of July. on a Saturday. And so, yeah, I actually I'm not having coffee. I'm having some Gatorade and ice and water. So there you go. And I'm gonna take my thyroid pill. Okay, I'm going to take a little break here and use my massager. I will put the link down below if you're interested. I love that thing. It really works really good for tired muscles and inflammation and all that. And I realized I did not make the bed, so I still need to do that. Last thing. Okay, I'm seeing here there is still more laundry to do, so this is future me doing my voiceover, so I must have not have done laundry for a couple of days. Oh well, it's fine. So alright, so let's put the cleaning cart away, shall we? So zone 3 does usually take longer for me to clean than the rest of the house because it's where we spend most of the time. The kitchen, right? The family room, all of that. So, oh well. Yeah, that took a while. So I started at 1 and it is now 6:30. I did take many breaks and I'm not remembering everything because this is future me doing the voiceover, but I am defrosting some meat to make dinner. And apparently I need to give the bathroom a little once over and gather up any laundry that needs to be done and put it in the laundry room. Okay, so I got dinner all done and the kitchen all cleaned up. We had shepherd's pie, so that's finishing up in the oven, and the kitchen is all straight, and that's calling it done. So guys, if you missed anything videos in this series, click the playlist below and stay tuned for my one and done cleaning routine explained and what I've learned through this past year of doing this cleaning routine. I'd love for you to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to comment below. It really helps out my channel. Until next time guys, enjoy your day.